3, 2, 1, 0. Fire. Liftoff. And Ham is on his way.
On January 31st, 59 years ago, NASA achieved a major milestone in space exploration by successfully sending a mammal into space for the first time. The chimpanzee Ham was chosen as the hero for this mission. Prior to becoming an astronaut, Ham was a wild chimpanzee that was acquired by the United States Air Force for experimentation to find a way to send humans into space. Scientists believed that chimpanzees were the best candidates for this mission because they are the closest species to humans in terms of intelligence. Initially, Ham was referred to as number 65 because the project included several monkeys participating in the experimental training. However, after many trials and evaluations, the number of experimental animals was gradually reduced to 18, and eventually, only 6 remained before Ham. He became the last option for Project Mercury. Ham's mission differed from other mammals sent to space, like Laika the dog from the Soviet Union, who was sent into space on November 3, 1957, and died within hours of launch due to the heat. Ham's mission was to control the command and safely return the spaceship capsule to Earth. Ham was trained for 2 years and assessed by neuroscientists to learn to accurately control buttons and levers in response to light and sound commands. The training process involved pressing the force button within 5 seconds after the blue light flashes. If done correctly, Ham would receive a banana reward. However, pressing incorrectly would result in a penalty of electric shock to the soles of the feet. After 2 years of training, 4-year-old Ham was finally selected as an astronaut to be honored aboard Mercury Redstone 2. Ham's pulse and flight commands were tracked and controlled by a computer from the launch pad on Earth. There was a slight glitch during takeoff, causing the spacecraft to move faster than planned, resulting in Ham experiencing weightlessness for a total of 6.6 minutes, 1.7 minutes longer than planned, and 196 kilometers off course. Ham's success paved the way for the first human in space, Soviet astronaut Yuri Gagarin, and the first American, Alan Shepard, who was sent 3 months after Ham's success. Ham was later named HAM, an acronym for Holloman Aerospace Medical Center, which was the name of his preparatory training center for the project. After completing the mission, Ham retired and lived at the National Zoo in Washington for almost 17 years before being moved to the North Carolina Zoo, where he lived until his death at the age of 26. Ham's body was honored to be buried in the Hall of Fame of the International Space Station in the state of New Mexico, USA.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy the video and please subscribe and hit the like button.